It's hard to enjoy your home when it's dripping with humidity. Meet the Midea Cube, the extended design dehumidifier that packs big power into a small package. Its energy-efficient design keeps your room cozy while saving on your energy bill. And its multi-directional air intake system turns even large rooms into an oasis of comfort. And its spacious water tank makes other dehumidifier tanks look like a kiddie pool. So you can relax without constantly worrying about emptying the tank. Just focus on you and let the Cube take care of the rest. The Midea app makes it easy to control water levels and track everything at a glance. Our comfort-focused design makes emptying the Cube easy, while the carry handle makes the Cube convenient to carry around. Damp clothes can be a pain to dry. Not with the Cube. Just switch to dryer mode and let the Cube get your clothes dry fresh in no time.
Hello.
Got a damp basement? Not a problem. Midea can keep it dry all year round. The Cube will never disturb your sweet dream. It can run all night long in low operation noise. And when you're not using the Cube, you can store it anywhere in your home. So much to offer in such a compact package. It's all in the Midea Cube.